Okay guys, I'm gonna make a video on how to change a turning signal or blinking light on the 2012 Honda Pilot. I was looking for the instruction on YouTube. I couldn't find it. I was so frustrated and I figured it out. As you can see, the right light is working, but the left light is blinking fast. It's not working. So I've already purchased a light from the store. Now I'm going to change it, okay? So let's go. As you can see, this light is working, but this one is not working. So we're going to change it. Let's go. So first you open the hood. Make sure you open the hood. I opened mine all the way wide open because I don't want to get stuck in there. As you can see, again, this is the light that I need to change. This one is fine. So here we go. First you go and you have the air tank right here, the air thing. I don't know what this is, the air thing, okay? And then the light is right here, okay, right here. This is where your air filter is. When you do your oil change, this is your air filter. And you have this metal bar right here. And then you have the headlight right there. And the turning signal light is right here, okay, right there. So all I need to do is get my hand behind here into there. See, my hand is gonna cross there. I'm still under the bar, all the way to here, and I'm gonna go up a little bit. Go up a little bit and I'll grab this light, and I'm gonna turn it counterclockwise, okay? Turn it counterclock, and then this comes off like that, easy. And it's right there, okay? Right there. Now I'm gonna get my light, my replacement light, and switch it. First I need to turn off the ignition. Okay, all right, stay tuned. Okay, one thing I forgot, just make sure you turn off the light, okay, just in case you don't create no short circuit. Turn off the light, all right? And I'll be right back. Okay, the light that I purchased is a Sylvania, long lasting. I don't know what's in the back, but I'm gonna take it out of the box and then put it on. So here's the light, and I'm going to put it on, okay? I'm gonna lay my camera right here so you can be able to see it. Hopefully I can still record. Okay, camera is placed right there, and I'm gonna go back underneath there, grab the thing, and oh man, take the camera out of the way. Okay, so I'm holding the light right now underneath. I'm gonna put my hand up in here. See, my hand is gonna go up in here, my left hand, and my right hand is gonna go underneath there. So it's gonna be this motion, okay? I'm gonna place the camera right there. I can do it fast, but I'm doing it slow so you can actually see what's happening. I'm gonna place the camera here, okay? 1 second, let me place this. Oh, here, my son's gonna help me. Here we go, Derek, come hold this camera for me. I just hold the camera here. You wanna make sure you can see my hand, okay? All right, folks, I'm gonna put my hand right here. My other hand, my left hand goes here. And here's the light bulb right there, okay? I'm just gonna yank it out. Put the camera right here. You can't see? Oh, you have to go grab a chair so you can see. You have to be able to see what I'm doing. Okay, so my hand's gonna go, my right hand is gonna go underneath the bracket, and then my right hand goes right here above the bracket. They're both gonna meet down there. Just gonna hold the light and yank it out. Oh, like that, okay? You're gonna be a little aggressive. And then this one goes out, and then you get the new light. Just stick it in there. There you go. You need to hear that click. Make sure it clicks. But before I I put it back in, I need to make sure the light is working. So okay folks, as you can see, it's working. There, here. Now I'm going to put the light back in, like that, in this hole, like that. Just be careful, don't cut yourself. Like that. I'm going to put it back in right away. You don't have to keep it on, but just for the sake of the demonstration, I'm keeping my light on. Put the light back in. It's a very tight space. Put it in like that, and then you turn it clockwise, okay? Clockwise to lock it in. Clockwise, and the job is done. And there's the light. And that's the light. Folks, it's very easy. This is supposed to take maybe 1 minute. It took long because I was trying to figure out the position of the camera. My hand's big and all that, but other than that, it should be good, okay? Easy. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up, like, share, subscribe, and comment. Peace out.